So I am Jaime Angelo Ripada. So we're going to solve this scenario. Number one, in a computer cafe, you have 20 units in a server. How are you going to manage the bandwidth? So first, we are going to use the TP-Link in this. So we're going to go to advanced. So by the way, I'm using Archer A6 the TP-Link. So the next step is QoS. So since we have 20 clients, so we need to adjust the bandwidth. So first, we're going to click this enable. So this is the connected devices. So we're going to divide it to 5 since we have 20 clients and we have only 100 Mbps. So we're going to put 5 upload bandwidth and the download bandwidth in 5 Mbps. So next is we're going to prioritize this one. So we're going to put the always timing. Then this is the priorities devices. Then we're going to save, and the next one is we're going to go to ASUS wireless router, and you can see here the general. So we're going to go to adaptive QoS. So as you can see, there is upload and download bandwidth here. This is PC here. So we have 22 errors changing. So we're going to QoS here. Since it was enabled already, the QoS, so we're going to the bandwidth setting to change it to manual settings. So same as the TP-Link, we're going to put it 5.5 in upload and download bandwidth so that it can balance the Mbps of the 20 clients. Then we're going to apply it. So it's all this. So the next is not found the request here. Since we use only emulator ba? Oh yes, emulator. So it will always show this because we use emulator. That's all. Thank you.